Hello, my name is George, and I'm the founder of the Finance Business Partners, aka FBP Community. FBP Community is just a platform for young finance professionals across the world to be able to communicate, engage, network, and talk finance. As you will agree with me, the educational system does not necessarily prepare the young finance professionals for the real world. Over the last 2 decades of my career, I've been fortunate to have worked in multiple organizations. Talk about startups, talk about multinationals, talk about organizations playing in different sectors. And one thing has remained constant for me in my career path. I've realized that what you get from your basic school education is just a foundation. It does not give you the next level to be able to effectively function in your world. And this is one of the things that led to the founding of the Finance Business Partner community. I'm so proud to be leading a community of young professionals who are making a change and the impact in the world. So I'm happy that today you stumbled upon our channel, and we promise that you'll get a lot of information, a lot of exciting content, and some of the recorded episodes we've had with industry practitioners, people who are making difference across the world in the world of finance. So join me as we change the industry, as we keep going and make more positive impact. Thank you.